Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're looking into a viral website making big promises, samplegifted.com. They claim you can earn a $750 Costco gift card just by signing up and completing a few easy tasks. Sounds great, right? But is it legit or just another scam? Let's break it down. Just a quick heads up, this video is based on my own research and personal opinion. Here's what happens on samplegifted.com. You're told to click a Start Now button, enter your email, and complete a few offers to get that $750 gift card. At first, it says 5 deals, but as you go deeper, that jumps to 20, and you're redirected through a maze of sketchy sites like rewardgiantusa.com and eWordForSpot.com. These sites ask you to download apps, sign up for paid trial services, complete endless surveys. And guess what? That gift card never actually shows up. Here are some major red flags. You get redirected to multiple suspicious websites. The offer admits in fine print it's not sponsored by Costco. The number of required tasks keep changing. There's no clear privacy policy or contact page. The site profits from your clicks and sign-ups, not from giving you rewards. Hosting is protected by Cloudflare to hide who's really behind it. And the biggest red flag, Costco has nothing to do with this. The site uses Costco's name to build trust, but the fine print clearly says, offer not sponsored by or affiliated with Costco. So why use the Costco name at all? Simple. It makes the whole thing seem more believing. Final verdict, samplegifted.com looks like a classic reward scam. Too many red flags, too much effort, and no real payout. Save your time, your data, and your sanity. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.